Mini has taken the wraps off the facelifted 3 and 5-door hatchbacks as well as the convertible. On the styling front, the models gain restyled headlights, updated alloy wheels and two-dimensional Mini logos. Buyers will also find Union Jack-inspired taillights and a revised color palette that now includes emerald gray metallic, starlight blue metallic and Solaris Orange metallic. There's also a new piano black exterior package that replaces the car's chrome trim with high-gloss black accents. Moving into the cabin, drivers will find a new 3-spoke steering wheel and an upgraded entry-level audio system with a 6.5-inch color display. The cars also gain several new options, including malt brown Chesterfield leather upholstery, an 8.8-inch touchscreen navigation system and a wireless smartphone charger. The Mini Yours interior style piano black package has also been updated to include illuminated trim strips. Speaking of updates, the Mini connected system gained several new features, including real-time traffic information, a personal concierge service and access to the Mini online portal, which provides drivers with news, weather information and local fuel prices. While the styling changes are relatively minor, Mini says engineers made changes to the twin-power turbo technology engine, electronics, oil supply intake, air ducting, the cooling system and the exhaust systems. The company also decided to make the engine covers out of carbon fiber reinforced plastic to reduce weight. In Europe, the hatchbacks will be offered with 7 engines which have outputs ranging from 75 PS, 55 kilowatts, to 192 PS, 141 kilowatts, in the Cooper S. The Mini convertible offers 6 engines and the base unit is rated at 102 PS, 75 kilowatts. Depending on which engine is selected, it can be paired to a 6-speed manual transmission, a 7-speed dual-clutch automatic or an 8-speed automatic. The updated Mini lineup will debut at the North American International Auto Show, and in the United States they will be sold as 2019 models.